Polling for the first phase of assembly polls in Gujarat was held today. Around 57% voting turnout has been recorded till 5 p.m. in 89 assembly constituencies of Saurashtra, Kutch and South Gujarat. Madhya Pradesh Governor Mangubhai Patel, Union Minister Parsottam Rupala, Darshina Ben Jar Josh, former Chief Minister Vijay Rupani, former Karnataka Governor Vajubhai Vala, BJP's State President C.R. Patil, Congress leader Paresh Dhanani cast their votes today. A total of 788 candidates are in the fray for the first phase of polling, including 14 former ministers. Meanwhile, campaigning for the second phase has intensified today, as only 3 days are left for the campaigning to end. NAGRIMS has rescheduled the online computer-based nursing of